Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you easy and quick lip scrub recipe that will leave your lips soft and exfoliated. So stay tuned. To make this lip scrub, you will need two main ingredients, that is some sugar and some oil. You can also add some flavoring, but it's not necessary. If you're using brown sugar, you can see it's very moist and the granules are finer compared to the white sugar. So you can use any oil that you like. If you're using white sugar, I will suggest to use a coconut oil because as you can see, the granules are bigger compared to the brown sugar and there is no moisture in it. So it can be a little rough on your lips, but the buttery coconut oil will make it smoother and little gentle for your lips. To make brown sugar lip scrub, I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now this is not baking, so you don't have to be exact with your measurements. You just need to adjust your consistency. So after adding, I'm just gonna break this and see if it needs more. So this is the consistency that I want today, but if you want something like this, you can add more oil. It's little more liquidy than compared to this one. Now I'm going to add some vanilla flavoring to it. You just need few drops. I'm just adding like this much. That is 4 or 5 drops. This scrub is ready now. We just need to put it in one container so we can use it whenever we want. You can use this scrub as a body scrub too. You just need to make it in a bigger quantity. To make white sugar lip scrub, I'm using 1 tablespoon of white sugar and I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. You don't have to be exact with your measurements when you're making this mask. You can add more sugar or oil according to the consistency that you need. So 1 teaspoon of coconut oil was enough for 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can see it's really buttery and smooth. Now you can go ahead and add any flavoring if you like. I'm going to add some peppermint extract to it. Just 2 drops will be enough. Here you go. You have 2 types of lip scrub ready in 5 minutes.